JM Fiang sa Shake. And so kind of sa rush pa lang sa Shake, they were so good. So my mom and I were thinking about, ano kaya pwedeng next project namin with JM Fiang? So good timing, tumawag si Direk Dan. Actually, Facebook Messenger yata niya ako tinawag. Sabi niya, how's JM Fiang? Gusto niya mag-pitch for concept for them. So we said yes right away.
Wow.
Yeah, it was good timing.
Okay. Thank you, Sir Keith. Direk Dan, susulitin ko na to ha. Kasi ang dami mo namang offers. For a rom-com, why a JM Fiang for a comeback?
Naiinlove ako sa dalawa.
Oh.
Hindi talaga, as in, tapos ito nga, na-impress talaga ako dun sa Cinemalaya. Tapos from there, yung deep dive talaga ako. Alam mo yung one of those nights na nagsimula ka lang sa isang video, tapos maya-maya 4 AM na pala, tapos for JM lang yung pinapanood ko. Tapos, ayun, sabi ko, I really want to work with these two.
Direk, anong nauna? The JM Fiang or the material?
Nauna yung JM Fiang, tapos kasama ko isa yung associate producer si Angel. Tapos nag-iisip kami ng concept. Kasi Angel ay isang Gen Z. So parang uso sa mga mga Gen Z yung AU or alternate universe. So from there, batuhan kami ng ideas for a film. Tapos yun na, nabuhay na yung story about this girl na obsessed sa isang idol na may best friend na Pine of her.
Pero kasi ikaw master director ka when it comes to rom-com, kaya sabi ko ang swerte ng dalawa na for launch movie nila, Dan Villiers ang titira. I mean, sorry pero I'm just the proudest na ikaw yung gumagawa ng pelikula nila, Direk Dan.
Salamat po. Pero swerte kami lahat na maayos yung cast. Super solid ko.
So when Sir Keith, sinabi niya sa akin, EJ, I've never seen a script as beautiful as this one. Remember, one morning, you called me up, kinikento mo sa akin, EJ, ang ganda-ganda ng script pa lang yon. So Sir Keith, when you learned about the story na present ni Direk Dan and his teammates, what was the reaction? Right away, gusto mo na?
Yes. Kasi when I read the script, usually like when I read scripts, merong edit stuff. Pero the whole time I was reading the script, all I can think of was JM Fiang. Kasi sobrang bagay yung scripts kanila. So I was just laughing the entire time I was reading it.
Because at 9 in the morning, you were raving about it, Sir Keith. I remember that, di ba? Sabi mo, gawin na natin tayo. Ganon yung energy ni Sir Keith in doing, at the time, ipapantitle, until finally, nag-decide ang team na we're doing Almost Us. Okay. At this point, we'd like to hear from the members of the cast, starting off with Sam. Please, your role! Greet everyone muna, Sam.
Hello everyone!
Ang ganda niya, no?
Thank you po.
You are portraying what, the role?
I am portraying Jess as one of the close friends of Fiang in the movie. So, yeah.
Sobrang layo. Ano yun?
Sobrang layo. So she's a little konyo. She's not far from
I
Sam
love that
actually.
linya. Tumatatak sa akin sobra.
Sobrang layo. Yes.
Well, may kwento about how you started, how did you get the part? Kasi alam ko, talagang pinili ito eh. May mga audition pa. Pero ikaw, right away, narinig ko agad yung pangalan mo. Okay. So how did you get the part?
I actually heard from it from one of the associate producers, si Angel ba, the Angel. And they actually told me that, when they were thinking of somebody who could portray the role, they thought of me daw. And I thought that it was so, syempre po kinilig ako doon. Pero hindi pa po kasi
Naniwala ka
sinasabi.
agad na ikaw naman talaga yun. Charot.
Yun
Of
nga po.
course, oo.
Pero they didn't really tell me what kind of role it was yet. Up until I got the script and I got the character description po. Tapos sabi nila na, konyo pala. So sabi ko, kaya.
Achieve!
Achieve, natural.
Iba rin naman mag-isip ng project projects. Matatalino yung mga nandiyan.
Yes po, sobra po. Magagaling po sila.
Sobra.
Yes.
Thank you, Sam.
Thank you po.
You know what, ang story ko, sabi ko, sino pa ba yung ibang cast? Tapos nung nag-script reading na, sabi ko, the moment he opens his mouth, sabi ko, my goodness, he's so good! Another J. Wow, gulat-gulatan, JM.
Ako pala.
JM!
Hello po, JM Salvado.
Correct.
Nagpapakilala sa atin lahat. Magandang hapon. Okay
Audio
po.
pa lang, di ba? Ang linaw!
Ayan.
Nag-audition ka ba dito, Jen?
Yes po, nag-audition po ako dito. Kinontak po ako, tinanong ako, kaya mo ba yung role? Bibigay namin sa yung role, audition ka. Pagdating ko dito,
Mukhang may catch.
iba-iba pala. Iba-iba yung dating. Ako po si Otep, James Salva playing the role of Otep, best friend ni RR. Siyempre, di ba? Di naman po kami nagkakalayo ng itsura. Baka po magkalagnat kayo eh. Di ba? Ganun po talaga. So, ayun lang naman po. Okay naman, pogi lang. Yeah!
Ang galing niya. Alam mo, script, table read pa lang. Talagang tawa na ng tawa si JM, si Piang sa kanya. Kahit kami sa production, sobrang nakakaaliw. Binuha niya yung script read, table read namin. Congratulations. We're so excited na mapanood ka namin.
Yes! Salamat po, salamat.
And of course, the very promising, talented Yuki Takahashi. Yuki!
Yes. Hello po, I'm Yuki Takahashi. Hello po.
Your role and how did you get the part? Alam ko, in a way may alam ako, pero
Yeah.
sige, may kaskwento.
So I am Sue. Older ako kay Fiang and kay RR. Well, yung role ko dito, I am a very confident woman. And sobrang self-assured ko with myself and everything. And
Ganda niya, no?
somehow medyo pinagsaselosa ni Fiang. Yun.
Hanggang doon lang muna.
Hanggang dun lang. Yes.
Pero hindi ka kaiinisan ng mga JM yang dito. We'll find out.
I guess panoorin nyo na lang po. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yung sa akin po, nalaman ko na I'm part of it. Actually, it's a funny story.
How funny. Wow, nagkisigaw.
Sobrang funny. Wow.
Patag na.
No, kasi hindi ko po kasi alam if scam siya or not. So, nung minessage po ako through Viber, I wasn't sure if it was real and everything. And then when I found out, it's Direct Dan. Doon na ako naniwala. Totoo pala to.
Day one pa lang,
Yes.
talagang nag-agree na yung buong production.
Thank you po.
Mukhang perfect ang pagkaka-direct Dan, no? Perfect. Mukhang, did you deliver naman?
Yeah.
Siyempre, yes, oo. No? Of course. Thank you, Yuki.
Thank you.
Wala na, napaka-special ng role niya. So, hindi ko alam kung nahirapan ng production, pero ako, when I first heard of his name, portraying Kenzo, sabi ko, oh my God, the perfect Kenzo. Dustin Yu.
Hi sir.
Hello!
Hello po sa lahat na pumunta ngayon. Ako nga po pala si Dustin Yu. At ayun, maraming salamat kasi sobrang swerte ko na naging partiyaman ng launching movie ng JM Fiang. Ang character ko po dito ako si Kenzo. Isa po akong artist. Isa po akong singer. Hindi naman po malayo sa totoong buhay.
Why na?
Joke lang. De, ayun, ako po yung parang sinulatan ng AU fiction ni Fiang. And ano pa bang masasabi ko sa character ko? Siguro hindi siya malayo sa totoong artista. Kasi sa isang artista, may mga struggles din na na-experience. So dito makikita natin kung saan si Kenzo ay totoong tao rin pala.
Tapos mamaya maririnig pa natin direct ng Sir Kit kung gaano ka-special yung world na yun,
Yes.
ng AU. But before we go back to the Kenzo character, I'd like to syempre, my babies, I'm proud of Jemya!
Hello! Ano?
Antayan.
Ano tayo ba?
What's up, madam?
Kamusta? Finally, we're showing! May 6!
Yes! Malapit na! Ano?
Basta starstruck ako, sorry. Alam niyo naman. JM, finally, we're launching your team up in the summer kilig movie of the year. How does it feel? Malapit na. In less than a month, we are showing nationwide.
Excited ako sobra kasi
Ang gwapo mo ngayon, nagkakaibang glow.
shit ngayon lang.
Wow! Go ahead na.
Nawala ako. Hindi, I mean, excited ako sobra kasi first film namin ko ni Fiang. And siguro mas nangingibabaw sa akin yung excitement ko pagdating kay Fiang kasi excited ako sa kanila at na mapanood tong pelikula to kasi seryoso. 100% sure ako na once mapanood nila yung pelikula to, mas magmamarka yung pagiging actress ni Fiang dito.
Oh, napaka Sir Kit, no, nagbibigay siya. Ang galing ni JM, like a true gentleman, ano, how he makes puri his leading lady. Piang,
Yes.
sinasabi ng lolo mo na
Yes.
napakagaling mo raw dito.
Magaling din siya. Sobrang galing niya. As in, napahanga niya ako kung paano siya, kung paano niya pinurtray si RR bilang best friend ko. Hindi naman nagkakala yun in real life. Best friend naman kami.
Wow.
Sige lang.
Bro. Hindi naman nagkakala yun in real life na mag-best friend kami. So, pero syempre, nagulat ako sa mga pinurtray niya as RR. Kasi, galing mo, no? Galing mo.
Grabe, the review as we speak po, the official trailer po ng Almost Us has already reached